Today I will show you how to get a block with the pith exactly in the center using a template. Super simple and quick. Hi everyone, welcome to Project of the Day. My name is Tobias and this is my YouTube channel. A channel dedicated to sawmilling, woodworking and small machinery surrounding this. Let's go milling! And now to the exciting part. From this log we will make a block that is 6 inches thick, with the center of the log exact in the middle of the block. Above that we will make a board that is 1¼ inch thick and the same at the bottom. And if we include the saw curve, we need to start the first cut 4½ inches above the center of the log. So we set the 4½ inches and take this, and this is just a spike. So, and press it in. So, take this and just lift it up and put it on the rail. Then we do the exact same thing here. Put it from the pit, 4½ inches. Take our spike, press it in. Lift this over. So now we lift up the log until this is placed on the sawmill. The goal right now is that the cut will come directly here where I had the spike from this one. So I hope I'm right. Yeah. Can see the line under. The next cut we're gonna do is 1¼ inch sideboard. So it's 5 click for the board and 1 for the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the same in the other end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to turn the log. Now we're going to make a cut that is, we're going to have our block that is 6 inches, and we want a board that is 1 1/4, and we have 1/4 for the chain. So we're going to be 7.5 inches up. Then we just check the scale here and move up to 6.5 inches. Or 7.5, I mean, and make the same in the other end. And then make one cut for our side, then we make a board, and then we have our block that should be 6 inches with the pith exactly center. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. And the same in the other end. Now is the moment of truth. Did we measure correct or not? The goal was to get a block that is 6 inches, and the pith should be exactly in the center. So let's see. We have, yeah, you see for yourself. It's so simple to do this. I mean, we have, yeah. I don't know any sawmill that is so simple to do it in. Now to the magic. How does this template work? It's nothing strange actually, it's really simple. The hole continues down is just 1 inch marks. I have it on both sides and you can use it on both ends on the log. And there is a hole on top. The top should be 1 inch. So it should be 1 inch, 2 inches and so on. And here I just have a block with a spike on that I can push into the wood through the hole. The critical measurement is the distance from this side of the wood to the top of the hole should be the same distance as from the beam up to the underside of the chain, as you see here. So when you put it in the log, you should have the big side from the beam, and then you turn it over like this, and when it's straight here, the distance from the bottom to the top of the hole should be the same distance as from the beam up to the bottom of the chain, which makes the chain start where you put the hole. So it's really simple. And you have to measure on your sawmill. This distance from the bottom here up to the bottom of the hole is dependent a little bit on what model of saw you're using, if you're using chainsaw or electric saw and so on. And really old sled is a little bit lower and the new one is a little bit higher. So measure on your own saw so you get the right distance. I have tried lots of different versions of this template. It's not my invention. I really don't know who came up with it, but I have bought one from Logosol. I have the simplest version, just with lines on it. I have test to make my own with the laser engraver, and I have lots of different versions I've tried. And my plan was to show you in an upcoming film how I make this from the simplest one up to the most advanced where I use my CNC. So if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming film. Until next time, bye!